Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time out to watch this video. I'm going to try to make it quick. I always try to do that. They end up being too long. So this is now the third time I've tried this. Let's see if I can make it work this time. So as you can probably see through the thumbnail that we're offering a big discount on the product for the next week. And we're doing this because, we're a small two-person team. It costs a lot of money, it costs a lot of time, which is money to build this. Two people with one person doing all the coding, and then the other person helping in support and other ways. It takes a lot of time to do this, and so instead of asking people directly for money, instead we always want to be able to offer something, and so we're offering this big discount right now, and just asking if you're so inclined, that you could help us out, buy a license, keep the development going, and keep us moving through 2024. We started really jumping back on the product last year. We rewrote the entire engine. It's totally new code base, which enabled us to add more exchanges, and so we're in the process of doing that. I'll show you in a second. We're also in the process of rewriting the front end, which is going to be cleaner, faster, better, and we just want to convey that we're trying to get all this done so we can make these great tools for people, and so they can really benefit from this bull run that's happening this next year. Is I think people are going to even be making more money than they did in the prior bull run. So we want our tools to be out there helping people do that. So really quick, I'm going to just show a couple slides here. So yeah, you 50% off. Use the coupon YT50, and you can apply it to any of the licenses. So currently the spot trader is at version 1.52. Our big one for this was, we worked with Fairdesk to integrate, and I made another video about that. We have, of course, we're always fixing things, tweaking things, and so all that was included in 1.52. Where we want to go next is we want to bring the remaining strategies back in. We asked people which strategies they wanted to use, and they just told us a couple. So as we were reworking our new engine and everything, we just focused on a small three strategies, and so we'll be bringing the remaining I think we have like 7 or 8 in, and then people can use those. Well, obviously I'll also be fixing bugs, of course, and the other thing is on 1.54 we're going to be showing a new updated client. So this is V2. We have a whole new UI kit. We've really everything we learned with the old client, which is a couple years old now, we're pouring into this new one. We think it's going to be really good, and I can show you really quick some of the development that's been done. Again, this is when you start the bot up, and we have the disclaimer, and you have to agree to that. So what we've done to this is we've just really dialed in more on the UI. We've tweaked the fonts and things like that, so just more polish, and everything's more standard now. And we can go to the next screen, and so you'll if you used the bot before, or if not, this is our screen where you can input the license. So we offer an evaluation mode that you can just click this and just go, which will give you all the features except for live trading and signals live trading, so you can really test the bot out. I'm gonna use a fake license key over here and just kind of show you some of the pieces we have in there, and that it's working, and we're putting all this in there. So this is just a tiny UI demo, but this is again what we'll be making as part of our whole new UI kit and everything. So we're getting excited about that because the UI is long overdue. So we'll go back here, and then so that's coming out in 1.54. And then finally, the last thing I want to talk about is really quick is the Dex Trader, because if we can keep this thing going this year, and we can keep this on track, we can keep it funded, keep the development going, we want to then release the DEX Trader by hopefully before the end of the year, if hopefully sooner actually. And the DEX Trader will have the same UI and feel. We're talking about having a native token. You would hold the token, and then the bot would work. And then with that also, we're talking about some sort of mechanism where you get staking rewards or something for holding that token based on all the transaction fees. So we have a lot going on there. The other thing is it will run the same strategies and signals, and so if you wanted to use TradingView on your DEX contract tokens, all that would still work. And so this is kind of where we're going with everything, and we hope that we can get there this year. And if we can get enough licenses sold, again, we don't do everything monthly or anything like that, so we really count on just being able to sell the licenses and to bring that income in to get everything going forward. So that's basically it. If you go back once you go into the cart, you can check out, you can apply the license, and so here's our pricing tiers, and so you're just going to drop all this down by 50%. So it's a pretty good deal at this point. Again, thanks to everybody for all your support over the years, and we love this product, and we just want to keep it moving forward. And so if you know anybody else that's interested that might want to take advantage of this, you can hand them that code. It'll work through I think March 1st, so you got some time, and we're just hoping that we can get over that hump this month. So again, I just wanted to make this really quick, get it out there. Thank you for everything, and appreciate all of your support. Have a good one.